Now that we've done the grapsomata, we're going on to the sarcomata or flesh layers. The first sarcoma of flesh is probably the most important layer of the face because it lays the foundation for all the lighter layers. So we're going to take some yellow ochre, and we want to make plenty of this because it's going to have to get us through a few layers. And here on the nose we have the hard line on the lighter side. And we bring the line down over here to form the philtrum between the nose and the mouth. If the paint is too thick and opaque, not only will you struggle to make transitions, but the paint may crack when it dries. We build up the color at the top of the chin and blend out. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is not blending out and leaving hard, solid lines between the layers. And again on this eye. We blend out. And blending out until we have a smooth transition. And there we have our first flesh.